Hey guys, welcome. So today is day 3 of React, right? Awesome. So let me go to your comments quickly and let me see what you guys are working on. Okay, awesome. Okay, good evening, great guys. Good evening. Okay, okay. Hello, hello Pratmesh. Okay, so now this is okay. This is my comments. Awesome, awesome. So great guys. Good evening to all of you. And okay, so Arjun is like very happy to start with tic-tac-toe, right? Awesome, awesome, awesome. Sizan is from Bangladesh, great. I think if you submit assignment now, it's much better. Hello, hello Sankara, hello Jaya, hello Tanuja. Okay, okay guys. Hello Abhishek. Okay guys. So let's start now. So as usual, let me share my another screen. 1 second. Let me prepare my second screen for a while. Sometime. Okay. So let me take my terminal there. Okay, let me today I'll take it one by one so nothing hangs. Okay, so now I'll share my screen. Wait a second. So let me go here, share share, and I'm on screen 2 directly. Okay, so you guys can see my terminal, right? Okay, let me come to your comments. That's why I'm not submitted. Okay, so what's the error, Tanuza? Can you elaborate on your error? Like when you try to run, what command are you using? Okay, and what error are you getting in return? Okay, download requirement for its. I did not get you, Abraham. What requirement do you want to download? Okay, okay. Let's discuss about the assignment little later. Okay, so let's focus on the today class. Okay, then we'll come and discuss about it, why you guys have a problem. Till that time, you guys figure out what is your error. So you can write me your error. This is the line. This is the error I am getting. So we can discuss over that. Okay. In my way, when I save my code, that changes their position. I still did not get you. Uh, Pavan, what do you mean by changes their position? Okay. Anyway, let's begin. We can discuss over that. Okay. So let me make it full screen. Okay. Okay, so now let me quickly go to my project folder. Okay, by ls. I think I should go. Where did I do it? Last time I did it somewhere. Okay, let me come out. YouTube, right? Okay, cd YouTube ls cd React, right? Okay, so now I'm in my React. Okay, here I'll create my tic-tac-toe. Okay, there are people who have some problem. So what do you want, guys? Should I discuss over your problem first? Okay, or should I discuss over a tic-tac-toe? You guys decide. Okay, till that time I'll just leave this project for creation. Okay, okay. So now npx create react app and tic-tac-toe, right? So whenever I write tic-tac-toe, there is just one problem. I somewhere in the mind I write TikTok. Okay, so tic-tac-toe. Okay, I've seen it a lot of times. Like I've done this app with a lot of students again and again, right? Okay, okay. So let it run it. Okay, let it happen. Okay, till it happens, let me know, you guys, what is the actual error. Okay, error message, so I can guys help you. Yeah, Tanuza, tell me what is the actual error, so we can work on that. It will take a minute to complete it, right? Okay, so waiting for your error. Okay, Mr. Nobody. Nice name. No TikTok. Okay, sir. I think to talk about the problem first because if some student, yeah, I got it. That is why I'm waiting for your problems. Can you describe your problem a little? If you can describe, then I can help you out with your problem, right? So whatever your problem is, describe in it in proper words. Okay. I'm audible, right? I'm not getting any message from you guys. Yeah, I think I'm audible. Yeah. Okay. What is like why the word thing document format came here? What are you guys trying to do? Pavan, today build nickel great. Anyway, we are going with that. You can see my screen, right? The things are popping up automatically. Let it happen. Tell me where. See, for anything related to assignment, you can look at the video description. Every detail is mentioned there. Okay. Tic tac toe. Finally, I think I wrote the correct spelling, right? Tic tac toe. Was the my spelling? Okay, I wrote it wrong. I wrote K, right? Okay, anyway. Okay. So I think you should discuss the step again of creating a folder and also that. Okay, Radhika, can you tell me describe this? So what do you mean by creating a folder? Can you elaborate, Radhika, a little? I'm just waiting for Radhika comment. Okay. टिक टैक तो खत्म करके असाइनमेंट वाला डाउट क्लियरेंस. ओके. Okay, Prashant, yeah, great. Awesome. So the build is almost like the project is almost going to be ready. Okay. This project will take a little time. There are several things we need to understand. Okay. Okay. One second, guys. Sometimes I get surprised when my office does not message me at this time. Okay. No message. That's really great. That project folder in that YouTube folder, sir. Okay, that project folder. Okay, see, that is quite simple to do. Okay, I'll just give you. It will just take me a minute. Okay. Okay. Let's be clear. Okay. So see, that is first of all not necessary. Okay. First I'll write CD. Sorry. So by default, whenever you open your terminal or in Windows Git Bash, it will point to a specific place, right? So for me, the default place that it is pointing to, okay, is this. Okay. Now this is not the place where I want to create my project. I want to create my project in a specific folder. Okay. So for that, what I can, if you want to check what are the things present here, okay, you can use ls. So ls will show you what are the files and folders present at this location. In case the location is already written, but in case if you want to see the location in more detail, you can write pwd. This will give you your location. Okay, where are you, where this is pointing to. Okay, now if I need to go to some specific folder, after ls you can see all the folders name and files names are written there. So my project, I need to go to my, let's suppose, where is my project, this folder, projects folder. Okay. Okay, so what will I do? I will just write here what happened. Yeah, cd space, okay, name of this folder. Okay, remember this would be a folder, then only you can go inside it. If this is a file, you cannot go inside it, right? For Windows, you can use dir, or the best suggestion is you use git bash, then the same commands will work for you. Okay, you don't have to work on different commands. Okay, download git, or with that git bash will automatically be there, and I recommend you guys to use git bash over cmd. Okay. Okay, so so now which folder I need to go? I need to go to my project folder, right? So cd projects. So if you type two words and click on tab, it will complete it for you, or you can write it on your own. So now if you click on enter, so now I'm in project folder. See here project has came. If you want to verify, you can write pwd. Okay, so this will give you the location. Now you are inside the project folder, right? Okay. So now just write ls. So see, the content inside the project folder will be shown to you. Now I want to go inside YouTube folder. Okay, so what do I do? cd. Okay. Okay, and so on. Now inside YouTube, if you want to check again ls, now I want to go to React folder, to cd. Okay, so on. Okay, now the second problem is how to create a folder. So of course I can what do you say, right click and create a folder in both Windows and Mac, right? In case if you want to create a folder from command line, what's like, see, currently I'm the react one. So in React, let's see, there are two things. Suppose I want to create one more folder here. If you want, it's not necessary. So mkdir, okay, space, and then you can write a folder name. Let's suppose I want to create a new folder. I'll write new folder. Okay, enter. Now try ls. Now you can see a new folder has been created. Okay. Okay, so this is the command. If you are not able to create a folder normally, you can create it with the help of a command line. Okay. Abraham, I did not get you. Git bash we should download. Yeah, no, you just download git. Okay, git bash will automatically be downloaded with it. So don't worry about that. Okay. What do you mean by Linux or React tutorials? How can you compare both the things? Okay, I understood. You want to try, should I learn Linux or should I learn React? Because you have to learn both at the same time, right? Okay, I got it. No worry. There's not much to for basic command. Just there are few commands. Once you just make a cheat sheet of commands, okay, and then you guys can jump to React. Okay, so Linux will not be a problem for you. Okay, so let's go to ls. I want to go to tic-tac, right? cd tic-tac-toe. I am there. Okay, so now what I want to do, code start. This is a shortcut that I have made. Okay, so this will directly open my Visual Code Studio. It's opening, and finally the things have opened. Okay. Now give me one more second. Let me set it up and let me close the things that I don't need. I don't need this terminal anymore. So let me close it up. Okay. Now what I need to do, I need to bring one more thing here. I will bring one empty tab here of my Chrome and put it here. Here Chrome. Okay. I'm trying to bring. It's on the way. So first I have to go to the screen. Then I have to bring it. Okay, here is my Chrome. Okay, let me make it full screen. Okay, so my Chrome is there, my this is there. So now let's do one thing. 1 second. Okay, 1 second, guys. Just give me a second. Some things are popping up here and there. So let me close all the pop-ups unnecessarily. Okay. Okay, awesome. Okay, guys. So now let's be back here to your comments. Let me come to your comments. Yeah. So I'm back. No, it's not the zoom. Okay, I'll zoom. Yeah, don't worry, guys. No, it's not the default. So what I actually did, I don't remember that shortcut how I created it, but I think, let me first zoom it. Command plus, I think. Okay, so let me know. Is VS Code zoom okay for you? Like, are you able to see the VS Code? Like, if I show you this. Okay. What happened? Okay, so are you able to see it perfectly? Let me know. Okay. If not, then I'll update it. So mention it where you want to zoom. If you want to zoom in the VS Code or Google Chrome. So in Google Chrome, let me open something. So I will open React Docs. Okay. And I'll zoom it. I remember like yesterday it was 125, right? So I'll zoom to that level. It's 175. Yeah. So I think it's visible to all of you now, right? Both the zooms are working. Okay. Okay, awesome. So let's have a look here. So of course, Okay, just for the last time, because this is a big project, so you'll be clear with a lot of files. Okay, so I'm deleting the entire content of a file once for the last time, and then from the next time and all, we will be working on. So delete. Yeah, so things are deleted. Okay, awesome. Okay, yeah, guys. So let's have a look here. Now let's understand. First, let's understand. If you guys don't know what a tic-tac-toe game is, I'll show you a tic-tac-toe game. I hope everyone know it, but still, tic-tac-toe. You can see I have a habit of writing TikTok. Okay. So now 1 second. Okay, it's okay. So now let's have a look. So now can I make it a bigger screen? No. Let's click here. So this is a tic-tac-toe game. It's one player. Okay. So we'll be currently making it two-player game. Okay. Okay. I'm getting some annoying ad. Let's leave it. Okay. Okay. So like you know how to play a tic-tac-toe game. So this person won. Okay. So what is my first question? No, it's not that. Like my laptop used to be fast. I have a 2017 MacBook Pro model, so now it has been a little slow. Okay, you need more zoom. Anupa, mention me where you need more zoom. Is it on Google Chrome or is it on like what is it, Visual Code Studio? Okay, 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 guys. So this is my first question. So I want an answer from everyone. So now let's suppose I am playing the tic-tac-toe game. Okay. So now what is my question? Like what are the possible ways to win the game? In how many possible ways you can win this game? So what are the possible ways? Like I'll give you some examples for this. Okay. This is one way. Like if all the elements in this like what do you say row are equal. This is one way. Second way, this is third way. Okay. So in this three ways a person can win. So how many more ways are there? Can you guys tell me? So I want a total number. Okay. Background noise will be added. Okay, so yes, so can I use Copilot with React? See, I have not tried Copilot because I have not got like what they say, uh, mm, like the access for it. It's still in private beta, right? I have requested for an access. If I get it, then I'll definitely try it. 8. Okay, Jay says 8. Rohit says 5. More answers, guys. 8 and 5 are two answers. So let's have a voting for 8 and 5. Any other answers? We can include it. No more answers? Is that enough? Okay, then let's discuss about that. Okay, these two answers. Okay, so let's see what are the possibilities. So now we already saw in the row, if all the three elements are equal, that means it's there, right? So it will be three possibilities. Similarly, there will be three elements in the column, right? 3 and 3. So total there are 6 elements. So 3 plus 3 will be 6. Okay, so total there are 6 elements. Okay, and then own life. Okay, okay, and then the next thing is like what are the two more possibilities? Like you also know in a tic-tac-toe game, if the diagonals are equal, that also means you have won the game. So 6 plus 2 will be 8. So there are total 8 possibilities. And there are a lot of numbers here, so I'll just repeat once again. Okay, so two diagonals. Okay, this, this, this. Okay, then this and this diagonal, it's okay. Now of course this column, this row, this row, and then this column, this I'm making double line for column. Okay, so total there are 3 rows and 3 columns, so total 8 possibilities, right? Okay, so let's remember this because we'll be using it how to win a tic-tac-toe game. Okay, that's all for a tic-tac-toe game. Let's cross it. What happened to this cross? No problem. Let's come here and let's start the game. 5 ways, I think. Why do you think, Abraham, it's just there is 5 ways instead of 8? Any reason for that? Okay. Let's click a plus and let's create a folder index dot we'll definitely need an app.js also, right? So let's create something like new, and let's create something like app.js. Okay, let's also create something like style, no? Style.css. Okay, that's all for now, and later we'll create more and more files as required. Okay, so we already know what to write in index.js. Okay, so let's write it. So import React from. I did not get any suggestion today. That's too bad. Am I writing the correct file? Okay, this is half correct. Okay, I just need to change the things here. React DOM. Okay, so import React and import React DOM. These two things are done. What are the again? Next thing I'll do? React DOM dot render. Okay, I'm getting some good suggestions again. That's great. The first thing, I have not created it, right? For now, so I'll leave it a blank space. In the second thing, I'll write, wow, that's a great suggestion. Tab. But here I will not be app. What will be the thing here? Root, right? Document.get element by ID root. I'm getting the error because I've not written anything here. So to write here, I have to create it first, right? App.js. Okay. Why is the community? Why are you guys so quiet today? Are you guys thinking why on Abraham answer 5 ways, I think? Okay, so import React from React. 1 second, guys. Okay, wait, I'll join again. I think there's some bug here.
Meanwhile, guys, you can put your attendance for the day, and all the assignments need to be submitted on the LMS. And how to submit on LMS, a detailed video is there in the description. You guys can check, and if you still face any issues, you can put it on the community. We will reply as soon as possible. No issues, Ritam. If you miss tomorrow attendance, you can fill it now. Sushil, there will be no exam. There will be two certificates based on one on the based on the attendance, and second on the basis of your project and assignment submission. Yes, Rohit, on the website. Yeah, Mritunjay, on the LMS, there is assignment tab. There you have to submit your assignments. Sidesh, you can check, a detailed video is there in the description. How to submit your assignments. You can check. Okay, sir.
Yeah,
You can
hi.
continue.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry, guys, something weird happened. Maybe like I need to upgrade my laptop immediately. Something. Okay, anyway, let me share my screen. Okay, and you guys will be on my. Okay, I did not know that I was out of the, like, what is it, video chat, so I did some stuff. Okay, so I did not do a lot of things. Okay, so what I basically did in index.js, I imported both the stuff in case if you guys did not get that earlier. Okay, and then what did I do? React DOM.render. Okay, these are the two things that I did. Okay, so let me go to your chat. Let me see. Okay. Okay. Why do we need to fill this much long every day? I get, okay. No problem, guys. You can work a little, right? You need to become a coder. You have to write a lot of unnecessary code every day, so much time. This is small stuff. Okay. So now let's go to our app.js, because here we need to fill something that we need to create in app.js, right? So let me create it. So const app tab. I'm getting some good suggestions today. That's really great. Why not the closing braces? And then here what I can do, I can just return. In the return, I'll put a div. Whatever the closing things. That's great. And inside the div, I'll just return h1. Today I'll write something else. Hello, welcome to Tic Tac. Finally, I wrote a correct spell. Welcome to Tic Tac 2. Awesome. And lastly, what I should do? Someone zoom. Okay, sorry, zoom. Okay, let me zoom it. Is the zoom perfect? Let me know. Zoom VS Code. Okay, Hemant, if you're getting problem to upload the code on GitHub, have a look at the, like, we have attached a tutorial video in our description. Okay. Sir, return spelling. Oh, where did I write? Oh, sorry. So a day cannot go without my spelling mistake. I think I should announce a party when I don't make any spelling mistake throughout the end. Yeah. Kunal. Okay. So now what should I do? After I have created app, what is the next step? I should export it, right? Export default. Yeah. That is why I love suggestions. There is no spelling possibility of a spelling mistake. Okay. So now, of course, I should import it here, right? So import app from, where should I import it from? App.js, right? So dot app. There is no need to write JS, right? As you already know. And here, what will I do? App. So sure, we'll attend the party definitely if that day ever occurs, right? Okay. So now finally we are done. Why to give unnecessary space? I don't like unnecessary space. Why? Here also no unnecessary space. So that's not a problem, but I don't just, why to give unnecessary space and waste your memory. Okay, so now let's go to terminal, new terminal. Okay, and then npm start. And the things are perfect. Did I write something wrong? Oh, so sorry. Yeah, thank you. Rohit. Karthik also. Okay. Even Narvi. Okay, let's open it. Let it open. Awesome. Thank you guys for correcting me. I missed that slash. I'll tell you the assignment in the class at the end. Okay, so don't worry about the assignment. We'll have a lot of JavaScript batches going on. You will get that sometime. Okay, don't worry, Rhythm. Okay, so this is the error. H1 is not defined. So what did I do in app.js? I wrote in capital letters, right? Sorry. Let's write in small letters. Now it's totally defined and the things are working. And okay, why even I wrote the wrong spelling for hello, but it's nice. Hello. So hello, welcome to Tic Tac Toe. Let it be there. Hello. Okay, so now let's start with a proper tic tac toe game. What all things we should do. So now see. Okay, so first of all, we'll be using Bootstrap in this. Okay, so whatever Bootstrap I'll use, I'll mostly explain you, so you don't have to worry about that. In case if you don't know Bootstrap, okay, if you are never heard the word Bootstrap, and it just like you like it's just one of the alternative for CSS, but you don't have to write a lot of CSS. Okay. Sir, did you correct the spelling of return? Of course, I corrected it, Divesh. Okay. Hemant, you'll get the link, you will get the mail from Upgrade, okay, for the GitHub. Okay, so hello, welcome to Tic Tac Toe. Okay, so now let's go to the next thing. Okay, so now what I want to explain you, let's have a look. Tic Tac Toe. Let's open it. Let's open this. So now you can observe few things. Okay. So one of the things that you can observe here, like we'll need these icons kind of thing, the cross icon and this O icons, right? For playing our tic-tac-toe games. Okay, so now we are not designers, right? Who can design these icons on our own, right? And it is React Bootstrap. Okay, so we'll not be using this, right? Okay, we cannot create these icons on our own, right? So what will we do? We'll take these icons from somewhere. Like someone would have already done it. We'll just use it. Okay, number one. Number two, we have to do something for the bootstrap. And number three, I'll show you something. Okay, so for now, let's first go to number one. What should I use for React icons? So there's a thing called React icons, npm. Just right, search it. React icons npm. Just open it. So now we got the React icon. So let's go to the collection of React icon. Here you can see the view the documentation option. So let's go here. So now you can see there are a lot of icons. Let the icons load. Hope it will load today. So you can see there are a lot of icons. Lot. My personal favorite is Font Awesome. I generally use this. Okay. But of course, you can definitely use anything. Okay. But I generally use Font Awesome. Okay. For some reason, I don't know. Okay. So this is one. I like Font Awesome more compared to all other icons. Okay, so first let's see how to install this. Like, see, this is what I want to include in my project. So whenever you want to include any third-party thing to your project, okay, zoom a little bit. Okay, you mean Zoom browser? Okay, okay. Hope this is okay now. Okay, okay. So now if you need more zoom, let me know. Okay, so now what I want to do, React icons. I want to install this. I mean, some way I want to put this React icon in my project. So how to like this is a third party thing which is developed by someone else. Since I want to use it, so it will tell you the way how you can include this in your project. So you can see the syntax: React icons, React icons. So if you click on this, it should copy, but it never copies. Okay, so this is useless, guys. Okay, okay, not okay. Okay or not okay? You guys need more zoom? Please zoom a little bit more. Okay. Hope this is okay. 150. Okay. Okay, guys. So now see how to install this in your project. So this is the way it has given you to install it. React I npm I React icons. And how did I know about React icons? Of course, I did a Google search, or I have been working from a long time, so I know about React icons. So whenever you need to use such kind of things, you need to have a look. Okay, and you guys can see how famous it is. Wait, I'll show you. Wait. So you can see weekly downloads. Once 10,000, 10,000 likes. So 6 lakhs, 75,528 downloads per week. This React icon is so famous, right? So it has copy. No, it did not go copy. Like, see, if I want to paste it, sometime it did not go. If it is copied, it's great. Oh, yeah, it got copied. Awesome. Okay. I should not blame it, right? Okay. It's working. Last time I did, it was not working. It may be my issue. Okay. 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 So now let's see how to do it. So let's first stop it. Control C. So what will Control C do? Control C will stop this. Okay. So if you want to clear it, like Control L, right? Okay. So now let me write it here. So how to install this? npm. Then you can write install install. Okay. Karthik, I just want to keep the things quite simple, so I'm not going into material UI, but yeah, you can use it definitely. Yeah, so npm install and the name here, React icons. Exact word like see, like this, React icons. And now see there's a shortcut. Instead of install, you can just write I. So I means install. Either write the food word install or just the word letter I. That is enough. Okay. It's too large. Okay. Should I reduce the zoom of like what do you say? My Visual Code Studio? Let me know if it's too large. Okay. Now click on enter, and it will take a while to install React icons. Let it happen till that time. Yeah, Karthik, we can definitely use Material UI, but for this project, I've already planned. Let's use it in some other project. Okay. Let me have a look here on my phone. What is happening here? Things are okay. Okay. So now it's taking a while. Let it happen. Okay. Let's explore the other thing that I'll be using. The second thing that I'll be using for yarn, we need to use yarn add react icons. Yeah. So see, whenever you use something at both the place, the commands are written, even of yarn and even for npm. You can use whichever you want. Okay. Okay. And install, you can replace it by I. Okay. Instead of install, and there is no need to write dash dash save. Now this is like little outdated. Okay. Just you write this much, it's enough. Okay. Like see like these all things you can get it from upgrades. Let's upgrade, right? Okay, so now let's have a look. It's still happening. It's taking a little while, so let it happen. Okay, still let's explore the other things. What are the icons? What all icons you want? Okay, so let's go to font awesome. Okay, we are already in font awesome, right? Okay, so what are the icons I want? I want a cross icon, right? I want a cross icon, and okay, let's leave it for later. Let's come here and first let's check out this React straps. Okay, so what is the use of React strap? It just okay. I'll just write npm. So I'll open its npm. So now you guys can understand what is first npm, right? So in simple words, okay, npm where all these third-party things are kept, and you can use this in your project whenever you want, right? It depends. Just like what do you say? Okay. Like my personal favorite is Yarn, Anuj. Okay, see, see, React Native is developed by, React is developed by Facebook, right? Yarn is also developed by Facebook. Okay, so and I think like for my personal preference, Yarn is a little faster compared to React. Okay, okay, so now, okay, this is React Strap. So React Strap, it's so through this I'll be able to use Bootstrap. Okay, how and why, like how this will help us, we'll have a look later, but through this you'll be able to use Bootstrap, okay, in React. There are a number of ways, but we'll use this. It's much easier here. Okay, okay, so now let's go to the next thing. What third thing we'll use, I think, React Toastify. Yeah. Now what is React Toastify? This. So now see, whenever some game has been completed, we want this kind of icon, like you have won the game or you have lost the game, this kind of message. So this message will get it from React Toastify. If I want to show you correctly, here I can show you. Wait, where is the documentation of this? Let's go to demo. Let's go to the demo. Okay. So let's click on top, bottom center. Okay, default show toast. You can see it is coming from here, right? So this is how it will come for us. I'm clicking on multiple times, so it is coming multiple. And we'll make it color in something beautiful rather than this. Okay, so don't worry about it. Okay, like say bottom center, let's take a success one. Let's show the toast. You can see a green message. If you take a warning, it will have some other kind of message. Okay, other color, error. What happened to error? No problem. It's still okay. Okay, alerts. Yeah, the easy way to see. Yeah, something happened to my React step. Let's close it. Okay, let's keep it here. So these are few of the things that is required. So let it first get installed. It's taking a while. Sometimes things takes a while. Okay, let me know. Should I like reduce the zoom a little of my Visual Code Studio? Let me know. Okay, is this perfect? Okay, okay. So now let's come here and let's wait for it. Okay. Hmm. So, okay, so there's a lot of difference. Like, see, Aditya has asked one question. So I think we should not use a library for only two icons. We can also do it like taking the image link and use it as an image in our project. Yeah, that would be a good suggestion. But why I'm using it, you will know when I'm using it. So everything here is a kind of a component. So like there's a lot of advantage when I use this compared to an image, right? So we will see to it. Okay, but your suggestion was very good. Okay. I started React Action after you still install earlier. Awesome, Pratmesh. I don't know. I have seen React icons takes a while to install in Mac, but it get very install very fast in Windows. So Pratmesh, were you using Windows? So Windows advantage, right? Okay, let it happen. Okay, camera is lagging. My camera is lagging. Okay, let me go there. Why is my camera lagging? I think that is taking a lot of effort. Okay, it's taking a while. Let it be a little faster. Then we can come here directly. Yeah, things are lagging a little. Okay. Okay, wait guys. Let me do it faster in case it's there.
Guys, I think some issue with the sir net. Hello, sir.
Hello, hello.
Yes, sir. Audible. You can start.
Yeah. Hello, guys. Sorry, I think it's taking a lot of RAM. That may be an issue. Okay, so let me open your comment quickly. Just a second. Just please. Yeah, guys. It's not about the net speed, guys. It's just about the RAM. Okay. Uh, okay. Right. Okay, let me share my screen. Let me go. So you guys can be on share screen. Okay, share screen. And let's go it on screen too. Okay. Okay. So now it's still happening. Oh my God, how much time it is taking? Okay. It may take a second more. Let it happen. And then okay. Till the time it happens, let it happen. And then other two things will be quite fast. Okay. So if I open a Chrome here, so it will open in my second tab as usual. So now what I want to do, pop up here, and I want to open React icons is already done, right? So I want to install React Strap on React Toastify. So React Toastify is this, and then React Strap is this. Strap npm is this. Okay. So now let it run and let it be here. I think will it take the whole time here? Anyway, finally it's about to happen. Close. Okay. Okay, so now what is the next command we'll be running? I will be running npm I react toastify for this and npm I react strap for this. But instead of running it one by one, okay, what I can do, I can combine this like react I react toastify a space and then you directly write this, the name of this react strap. That's all. So it's almost done. I hope so. Why it took a while, definitely. Okay, I have to find an alternative for this. This is surely not for a YouTube live if it takes so much time, right? Hmm. So again, I think Zoom and all things are perfect. Okay, let me come to your chat. Okay, sir, can you zoom? Okay, more zoom. What do you guys need Zoom? Okay, use different browser as Chrome eats so much RAM. Okay, okay, so I should use a different browser. Okay, let me close this. Okay, so what will I do? Instead of Chrome, I will quickly open Firefox. Or what I'll use even something better. The most optimized would be Safari, right? For my laptop. Okay. Okay. So what is React? Okay. So React Strap helps you to like. I'll show you the use of this. Don't worry. Through that, we'll be using Bootstrap. No, 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 not at all. React Strap is totally different. React. So okay. So React Strap npm. Okay. Okay. Let me know, guys, the zoom level. Okay, in which you guys are comfortable. I hope this is better. The zoom is okay. I'll show you different. I'll tell you a few ways. Okay, don't worry. One is a normal way in which we can do it in like HTML, CSS, like CDN one. Okay, so this is React step. I think this is done. Okay, this is done. Finally, let's clean it. Finally, this is installed. How can you make sure that things is installed? So whenever you install a third-party dependencies, what should happen in the package or JSON? You can see that thing will be present. React icons. Okay, inside the dependencies. Okay. Okay, so now let's come to the next thing. Let me know if you guys need zoom of anything. Okay. Okay. So now this was React strap. So now the next thing is npm I React strap, right? So npm I React strap. And I also want to install Toastify at the same time. So Toastify npm. Okay, so now let's visit here. And for Toastify, the name is React-Toastify. So React dash Toast Toastify. Hope my spelling is correct. Toastify. Now let's install this. This will be quick. Yeah, leave it, doesn't matter. I'll not push it to GitHub. Karthik. Okay. Okay, let it install. It will just take a second. This is quite fast. Okay. Till this time, let's see how to use, like the first thing that we'll be using is React icons. Let's explore how to use React icons. So now, whenever I use a third-party resource, we'll not know how to use them. It's quite obvious, okay? So we should always look at the documentation and understand how to use the icons, okay? So you can see, if I talk about font awesome, okay? So it has first given you, we have to first import it, right? The things need to be imported well. Once the things are imported, then I can use it. Okay, this is about to get over. Okay, let it happen. So now what I can do, I need to search for my icons. Where are my icons? So can anyone tell me what are the names? Okay. Yeah. That was, oh, you guys are discussing our assignment. Let's forget about assignment. Let's focus on tic-tac-toe, guys. Okay, we'll deal with the assignment later. Okay, so guys, can someone suggest me the name? Like, see, what are the icons I need? I need these icons, right? One is a cross icon and one is O icon. So in case if you have ever used font icon, do you know what is the name of this cross icon and font icon? Because you have to search it. Like you can see the weird names, right? Anyone who know the name of the icons? Yes, no. This cross. Okay, no, cross is not the name definitely. Zoom browser. Okay, you need zoom in the browser. Command plus. Command plus. Plus. Is the zoom sufficient? Let me know. Okay, so now what will I do? Let's search for the name. I know the name. In case if you don't know, you just have to Google search it. If you don't know it, FA pen. So okay, and pen is the edit icon, right? So for now we'll use the edit icon also. What is the role of the edit icon? I'll explain you. So I am taking one extra icon. That means in some case, this is just for checking. When the game start, before that, I'll just put it so that I can check if the icons are appearing or not. Okay. So this does not have a lot of use. Okay. 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 Yeah. Times, very good. Some times, sir times, great. Visco mark, sir X mark. Okay. Okay, there are a lot of suggestions. Okay, so one icon we know. Okay, so I think the things are installed here. Okay. So now you can quickly see all the things, the React icons have been installed, React Tostify has been installed, and React Strap has been installed. Okay, so now what will we do? I will just use React icons and verify like how to use it. I'll show you. Okay, then of course we'll be using the other things. Okay, so let's come here. Okay, in add a place source, and I'll create a like, and what do you say? I want a new component. Okay, so I'll create a new file. Now let's follow a proper procedure, guys. Okay. Okay, FA times. Very good, Aditya. Okay, so I'm coming to that. FA red circle. Great, Kavish. Okay, these are the names I was looking for. Okay, so now see, whenever you create a components, make it a normal habits, because see, whenever the project is big, there will be a lot of components. So let's make a new folder with capital C, because it deals with components. Components. Okay, and inside this, what will I do? I'll create my component. So what is the first component? The first component is icon. I deal with icon.js. Sorry, .js. Okay, now what I'll do? Very good, and I'll just import it. Import what? React, right? Import React from. Any suggestions? Yeah, I got the suggestions. Okay, now what is the next thing? Okay, next thing, I want to import this thing, right? Where it is, this one. So I'll just copy it. Okay. Okay, import icon name from React icons FA. FA stands for what? Is font awesome. Okay, so here you need to write the icon name that I want to import. So very good. So the first suggestion is FA times. That's totally correct. So let's search for FA times. FA times. Okay, so I'll take the one without the circle. Okay, this one. FA times. Let's put it here. So you just have to put the icon name that you want. So one icon name is FA times. I want one more icon, which is FA red circle. Great. Sir, we should name is icons.js. Or you want the word icons? It's okay. Whatever, I have named it icons.js. So what component I'll make icon, right? And it should be capital I, not small I. Okay, what was the second thing? It was FA red circle. Red circle. Now, how did you get this name? Just you can search the name, circle icon in font awesome. You'll get it on Google, plain and simple. Copy it and put it here. Okay, and I'll take a third icon that we'll just use for testing, and that is like FA pen, right? That I wrote it earlier. Which one edit icon do you want? Let's take this. FA time or times? I think I copied pasted it. No? So this was not a type. So FA time. No, it's FA times, right? FA times. Okay. Okay. So now the icon have been imported. So let's do one thing. Let's try to print one icon on the screen. Means I mean to say render one icon on the screen. So how can we do it? So let's make a const icon equals to, what happened to my suggestion? Earlier it was so good. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just return. Okay. So now the best thing about these icons, all the icons that are here, you can use them like a component. So how do I use a component like this, right? FA. So I'm which icon do you want? Like let's suppose let's take FA times. FA times. So that's the best advantage of using these icons. Okay, everything you can use here as a component. You can style it accordingly and a lot of other steps. Okay. Okay, awesome. So now I need to what I need to do whenever you have created. So render. Okay, sorry. Export, right? Export default icon. Yeah, great, awesome. You can put a semicolon. That's totally okay. So now what I'll do, I'll quickly put this down. We don't need it currently. Okay, now I'll go to my app.js. Okay, so in this app.js here inside the div, I don't want this hello world anymore. I want this icon. So icon icon. Okay. Oh, sorry, I forgot to import it, right? I had to first import it. Import. I have used font awesome icon. So why are you so sad, Jahid? Is it a sad thing to say? I have used font awesome icon. Or is it like you have not used it? Import. What should I import? I should import icon from where? Dot slash components, right? Slash icon. Awesome. Let's save it and let's make it our, and let's do npm start. So it will automatically, so let's do one thing. Let's us automatically open localhost 3000, right? Localhost 3000. Okay, it will open. Give it a second. I think the things are still loading. Okay, till it loads, let's continue. Okay, so now what will happen? We have also made a CSS file. What I'll do, I'll style my icon a little. First, let it load. First of all, that's the main priority. Hope it starts soon. Okay, okay. So things have been loaded. You can see a small icon here. Is it visible, guys? Or should I zoom a little to show you? If you want, I can zoom it a more. So you can see the icon, right? So now what I'll style it a little. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll make a class dot icon. Let's give it a color. For example, red. Okay. And what is the second thing? I can give it a font size, right? So font size. Let's give it for 30 pixels. I think will be enough, but it's up to you. Okay. Save it. Yes, visible. No visible. Kunal zoom. Okay. No. Now I have increased the size. No? Oh, so no, sorry. So now I have included the icon. So what I need to do, I need to apply this here in the my icon.js, right? So here, what I need to do, I need to write a class name, right? So class is equals to, sorry, class name is equals to, what will be the name? Okay, icon, right? Okay, awesome. This was a class name. So now I have to import it. Where can you, either you can import it in index or app. That like what is it? Style.css. Import style dot slash style dot css. Save it. What happened? Module not found. Okay, it's still compiling. Sorry. Here do you have imported style.css which falls outside the project directory? Okay, sorry. So currently this, where am I? App.js. Style.css is in source, right? This is in source, style.css. So import dot, sorry. Okay, I forgot a dot here. Sorry, guys. I will always suggest you to use function level component, Jahid. That is not what I suggest, that is what Facebook suggests you. So you guys can see it. Now you can finally see the icon, right? Red color icon in the corner, right? Yeah, Shankara, sorry, I made that mistake. Yeah. Okay, Kunal. That's great. Okay. Okay, so now let's do one thing. I'll also put a background color. Body. Uh, Background color. What color? Why it is not recommending me? As, can someone give me a good color name or I have to search? Okay. Green, yellow. Color code. And the color code of green, yellow is this. Has ADF to F. So I'll just paste it here. Save it. It will be not easy. It is. Okay, I don't know the code for Crimson Shade. To search it anyway. Now it's done. Let's come here. Where is my project? React app. Okay, so now React icons work we have done, right? So let's close React icon. React strap is done. So we'll come to that. Let's reload it. Okay, so you have got the background, right? Awesome. Okay, it's done. Let it be. Okay. So let's close the style. We'll see to the style later. Now let's work on icon.js. Okay. So now we have seen our icon is appearing perfectly. But what we exactly need to do with this icon? Okay. Sir, I am using same code but still see error. There may be some. Whenever you guys say there is an error, always give me like what is the error message that is coming in the console, so I can understand what is the error. Okay. Awesome. Thank you guys for the color suggestions. I've already used one. Okay. So let's come here. Okay, so what I want to do exactly here, I don't want to print an icon. So what will be the role of my icon.js? Basically, like see, when I am playing the game, I may need an icon. I may need a cross icon or I may need a O icon, right? That what is it? Cross zero, whatever is that. Cross and circle icon, yeah. So this I should write a code here. So whenever whichever icon is asked for, that it should return me that icon. Okay. So how can I write a code? So it's very simple. I can write a switch. Okay. Okay. So here what I'll do? Here I'll write choice. Okay. Okay. Let's continue here. So in that I can have several cases. What is the first case? The first case I can have like cross, right? In cross, what will we do? I have to return tab. That's a great suggestion. Okay. What can I do now? Second case, tab circle. Wow, that's very good suggestion. Okay, and what should I return? Sorry, that's great. Okay, so there is some small error here and there. Let's see what is the error. So I'm using a choice, right? It can be a cross and it can be. Okay, so the error is very simple. Can you guys identify the error? Sir, can we use three function component in this and use export and then Anupam, can you elaborate what they mean? Like, can I use three functional components in the same file? Yeah, you can use it. How is automatically? How is okay? Also, React compiles automatically, so you don't have to use it. And the spelling of switch is wrong. SWITCH. Finally, I got some error. Okay. Any other? Okay. Why there is a break statement? Of course, there is no break statement because as soon as if this is correct, this will directly return. It will never go to the next one, right? Okay. If you are saving me, okay, let's save. Yeah, okay. How it is saving? Yeah, auto save is on, right? No, case can be string also in JavaScript. Okay, not a problem. And I can put a default case. I have a third icon just to test out the things. So default return. Okay, oh, that's the great suggestion. I never. Okay, this was not a, like today. I'm getting a lot of good suggestions. Maybe because I have done a lot of project earlier like this earlier also. So tab 9 automatically understand what I want to type. Okay. Okay, so choice is not defined. Of course, now what is this? Now this is a component, right? Whenever I call it, I'll pass the value of choice from there, right? No, I'm not using GitHub Copilot. I am using tab 9. Tab 9. Okay. I'm using their free plan for automatic suggestions. You can also do it from here. Just search for tab 9. But it will take a while to understand how you type, then it will start tab 9. Okay, this one, the first one. Okay. So now this is clear to all of you, right? Okay. So now what I'll do, I in the app.js icon, while I'm calling it, I have to pass it. I have to pass the value. Okay. So what is the value? Like in the choice, I have to pass the value, right? So choice is equals to, if I pass circle, I should get circle. If I pass cross, I should get cross. Or if I pass something else, or if I don't pass anything, by default, I'll get that FA pen, that is the edit one, right? No, Kunal, it's not paid. I am using its free version. Okay. Okay. It has a paid option also. Okay. 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 This is done. Okay. So now let's close it. Let's close the file that we don't need it. Okay. I forgot one thing. Like I'm using an icon now, so I have to put this their styles, right? So this is the icon, right? The name is icon. So class name is equals to icon. Correct. Let's copy it and put it all the class name and class name. Save it. If I go here, now you can see the icon. I put a like what they say, in app.js you can see I put a circle. What if I put a cross? So now you will get a cross icon. Okay, you got saved late. You got a cross icon, right? And if I put something random, okay, so now both the condition will be false, then I'll get an edit icon. Clear? Yeah, Karthik, what do you write? Choice equal to RAM. Even I am not sure about the RAM requirement of tab 9. If that is the one that is consuming my RAM, I'll of course remove it. Okay, RAM is more dear to me than the suggestions. Okay, usually this does not happen when I'm coding, right? This usually happens because I am doing a YouTube live and coding at the same time, right? Okay. Yeah, definitely I can do it sometime. Interesting VS Code. I have a lot of interesting things installed. Okay, but okay, let's focus on the project now. Okay, this icon is done. Let's close it. Now there are a number of other things we'll do. Okay, so now we'll encounter a bug. We'll encounter an error. You guys have to tell me why I'll get that error. Okay. Okay. So the first thing I'm doing, I'm going to import like what they say, React Toastify. Okay, so toast TOA Toastify. Okay. Okay, so how to import React Toastify? So let's go to React Toastify. First, let's do React Toastify. React Toastify. NPM. So choice is a prop, right? Yes, yes. Yes, Karthik. So React Toastify, where it is. I have zoomed it so much that I don't know where it is. Okay. Oh yeah. Let's come here. Let's come here. Oh, they have given you how to import it. You have to import React. Of course, that we have already done on the top of each file, right? Then this is the way they have told you. You can import the things, and then they have told you how to use it, right? Toast. Wow, so easy, right? Things like this. Okay. So we'll be doing that in a while. So first, let's import it. So let's import this. So it should be React Toastify, not React Toastify. It's their person. They have named it, right? We cannot do anything, Karthik. Okay, is it my spelling mistake or there? This is a comment if you want. It's a comment, so I did not wrote it like this. Okay. So now we have imported. So there are two things I like from React Toastify. I have taken a toast container and toast. I'll be using both of them. And this is the CSS because like it has a lot of CSS also, red color, black color, whichever color we want, depending on that. So we also imported the CSS. So now we now what I'll do now, if you go and check your React app, it's okay. There is no issue. Even if I reload it, you will see there is no issue, right? He's talking about a dash. Okay, now this was the comment React Toastify, so I did not put a dash here. Okay. So next thing I'll import. I'm just writing the comment so you guys can be clear what I've done here. So import React. What was the name? Let's come back. React strap, right? Sir, could you answer question? What other things do React developer mostly work on apart from making websites? See, first of all, see, the main idea of React is targeting website and web apps, right? That is the most that is a problem that React solves. Okay? And there is a lot of different types of website you guys will be making with React. Okay, so now, okay, so let's see how to install this. So it has told you that several steps. See, so of course the project is created. I have npm start. Okay, these things are already done. I need to install React and React DOM. That is already done. Even I have installed React Strap, right? This is all only done. This is missing. npm I bootstrap. So I also have to install Bootstrap, right? Native app. What do you mean by native apps as well, sir? Could you? Okay, there is someone Play Store. Awesome. And talking about native apps also. Okay, great. Okay, so what I'll do, quickly go to a plus to the next one and put this npm I bootstrap. So this will quickly install Bootstrap in our system. Okay, so it will follow the documentation line by line. Okay, so npm I bootstrap, this is already done for us. We already did it, right? So now we have to import this line and this line, right? So let the Bootstrap be installed first. It will be very fast. No, where there is a difference between website and a web app. I'll just give you an example for now. We'll see that later. Gmail is a web app, okay. And if you talk about some website like a news website, like a simple blog, if you can say someone is doing a simple blog, that can be a website. Okay, React.js, React Native is mostly React.js we are already doing. React Native is more for like making native apps for Android and iOS with the same code. Like you don't have to code differently for Android and iOS. It's with the same code base. You can do both the steps. Okay, I think it's done. Okay, this is done. Now it's quite fast. Okay, so that is installed. Okay, so now what will we do? Now we'll install that. Okay, so now we will see. And if I import the things, it's okay if you put something above and down, doesn't matter. So put it here, and then I will put, even if semicolon is there, you can remove it. That's okay. Okay, so now let's save it. I'll switch here. Things are compiled. Let it compile. So now we'll see a error here. Not error, but you can see the style has gone. My background color was there, no? So my background color disappeared, right? So can someone tell me why did my background color disappear here? Like I had a background color. I did not change the style. You can even see my style.css is here, right? I just added some stuffs here, okay? And my background color got like it is not there. So what's the error and how can I improve it? Guys, let's focus on React. Okay, guys. So what's the error here? I'm just waiting for your error. It is saying to import index.js, CSS overloaded. It got changed. That's great, Anupam. That was a perfect answer. Okay, like you guys know, you have already coded in HTML and CSS a lot. This is my file, right? A CSS file. So this should be at the last, right? So that this is the most dominating one, right? Okay, save it. No, it's okay, totally okay. Okay, here you read it, right? Index.js. No, you can do it in app.js also. It's totally okay. Not a problem. So now let's come here. Things are okay, right? Very good, viral. And there are few people who answered. Overload React Bootstrap. Okay, great, Jahid. CSS overloaded. Great. Okay, so I think you got the answer, right? Your style of CSS should always be the last one, so it's the dominating one. So now let's work on several things. Okay. So now what I'll do? Okay, so you guys know this. My tic-tac-toe will have a total of nine spaces, right? Okay. The screen is not visible much here, so I'll not do here. I'll do the things here. Annotate the screen. Okay. So there are total nine space, right? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what I'll do? I'll make an array of 9 elements, and okay, and this is the place where I'll store these values. Okay. 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 So what I'll do? I'll quickly make an array of 9 elements. Okay. So what can be the best name for an array? So where you saved your style.css in src folder? Here is like this is my src folder. This is my component, and this is my style.css. Right? Okay. So, sir, we can use CSS grid. Ah, of course, for the CSS part, we'll be coming to CSS. We'll be using both CSS grid and CSS flex. Okay. In the CSS part. Okay. So just I'm focusing on the like code first. Okay. So I'll make tic tac array. Okay. Let's give it a name like tic tac array. So what I'll do, I'll create a tic tac array. Okay. It equals to new. Okay. Array. And what is the space of array you want? I want a space 9. Okay. And then what I'll do? I'll dot fill empty space. What happened? What happened to my 0? Okay, so what it will do? Basically, this means it will create an array of size 9. Okay. And what will dot fill do? Dot fill will basically fill all the 9. Okay, like if you write here, let's suppose A. So every 9 index, all the 9 index will become A. Okay. So now I have to define it, like declare it. So give it like const. Add CSS in index.html. Okay. Add CSS in index.pos. Okay, can we use CSS group? Yeah, you can. Okay, these are some of your comments. Okay, guys. Okay, so did you guys understood this? What does this means? So basically, if you don't understand it, I created an array of size 9, and each element of an array is A now. So I don't want A, but I want everyone to be empty. Okay, great. So now let's come here. Okay. We add Bootstrap, I think. So we have already installed Bootstrap, like npmi Bootstrap, right? Yes, sir. Okay, so now what will I do? I'll quickly take two variables. Okay, so let's take two variables. Okay, so the first variable is to check like what do you say is cross. So this will check if okay, I'm getting a suggestions. Great. Okay, what should I write? Use state. Okay, so now first let's import it. There's an easy way to import, but I am doing this way so you guys can. Okay, there are a lot of things that came here, and it was automatic suggestion, right? Use state. Okay, initial state, that means the default one. Okay, so defaultly we'll keep the value as, let's suppose, true. Small letter, sorry. So what happens, like see, what is the use of is cross? Let me explain you the use of is cross first. So before on click it is empty, after on click we can add x or y. Yeah, Karthik, totally correct. Okay, so now let's suppose this will help you to decide what should I put on the screen. This is cross. Initially the value of is cross is true. So what will happen? The first person who will move on the screen will have a cross. So now as soon as the first person marked, I'll change it to false. So when the second person moves, is cross is false. Like there is only two possibilities, either a cross or a circle. So if is cross is false, that means he has to move circle. Now once he has moved circle, I'll mark it as true. So what is the chance of next one? If it is true, then mark cross. If it is false, then mark clear. Okay, there's an error. src app.js module. Okay, you attempt to import style. So put a dot style dot css, not slash style. Dot slash style dot css. Okay, then it will be okay. You will not get that error Sivang. Okay. So how to stop page refreshing? What do you mean by stop the page refreshing? Which page? Okay, maybe your style is outside src folder. No, I think he missed a dot there. Okay, so you can see dot. He did not put a dot slash style dot css after import. Okay, and put it inside the double quotes. Okay, like see what I've done it like this. Okay, so now this is done. Okay, let's go to the next thing, and let's take something like, I will also take winner, which person has win, right? So let's put is like win message. Okay, and what I'll do, set win message tab. You state what is by default the win message will be empty, right? Awesome. Okay, so now there are several things that we need to work here. What are the things? I'll write the function first. So one function can be like you can have a like refresh, or you can have play again. Sorry. Okay. Sorry for this bracket. I don't know how I'm getting so good suggestions today. Okay, so what will happen if I have to play the game again? Okay, so instead of use state, can we use reducer for multiple state management? We'll be coming to use reducer in next few classes, so don't worry about that, Mithunja. You can kill the server to stop refreshing. Okay, if you're talking about server, yeah, that's a good idea, Karthik. Yeah, and other ways. So let's not go in that depth as of now. If it's the cross next turn, then will be a circle. If the circle next turn, then it will be a cross. Okay, so basically like this. Yeah, like say is cross is true, that means cross is the next turn. Okay, and if like see if I mean to say, if you see here, your tic-tac-toe. Okay, suppose what will happen? The first person will click on some box. Okay, so if this is true, cross will come. So now as soon as the first person marked, this will be turned as false. So now when next person go, if this is false, means its cross is false. So then cross is false, so it will be circle. Okay. Now this will change to true. So every time it will change true. So next time is cross is true. Cross is true, then cross will come. And this thing will keep on repeating. Okay. Awesome. So if we click on play again, what's it like? It's just like a game should reshape, right? Like everything that like what do you mean by game reset? That means my tic-tac-toe array should be empty again. Like I'm playing the game and I want the game to be play again, or after at the end of the game I want to play the game again. So this my complete array should be empty. This is cross should be set to true. Like its cross value may have changed while playing the last game, right? And this win message should be empty again. Like if last time someone has won the game, that message would have changed, like X has won the game or O has won the game, right? Hi Bina. Okay, so what can I do? I can first set, 1 second guys, give me a second. I think it's just my second screen, it's starting again. Yeah, okay, so hope the screen is visible to you. Let me check. Okay, yeah, it's visible. In case the screen is not visible, let me know immediately. Okay, okay. So Okay, the array is const. That means still I can change the value of the array. If you are not sure, let's come here. Okay, so let's open one compiler. Let it load. Okay, let's make it big. Let's switch to JavaScript. Let me back here. Let me change the dark light to dark. Let me bring here and let me zoom it first. Okay. Okay. So let's take an array const. If I take a variable const, you cannot change the value. If you take an array, you can change the value, you cannot change the key, right? So const add, let's suppose you have 10, 20, 30. Sorry, 10, 20, and 30. So now what I want a value of a1, that is 20, right? To change to 100. And after that, what I'll do, console.log. Okay. Let's run it. Yeah, run without login. So you got the value got changed, right? With const, you are able to change the value. So don't get confused, guys. Okay. The like see, if I declare this as a variable, okay, then if I do age equals to 100, then of course you cannot change it. Okay. So you understood the difference between both, right? Okay. Okay. It's not changing automatically. We'll write that function so it will change, Radhika. Okay. It's just that how I'll use this is cross, that I explained you that well. Okay. What is the use of is cross? Why did I take a variable is cross? Okay. Yeah. It can change. Okay. Of course, his array is immutable, right? A string is immutable. Okay, so let's create this function. Then we can continue. Okay, Bhavik. Okay. So what are the things I want here? First, I want to set edge cross. What should be the set value of edge cross? If it is like it should be set to true, right? Let's set it to true. Like everything should be come to the default state, right? So set win message to empty, right? So set win message to empty. Okay. What is the third thing? The third thing is like I want to make my array to be empty. And so how can I make my array empty? Tic-tac-toe array, tic-tac-toe dot fill, again fill. Sorry, I'll fill all the elements. What do you want to fill all the elements with? Empty, right? Okay. So is it clear to all of you guys? To play again. So should I continue or should I continue in the next class? It's up to you. Because the time is up. I don't want you to guys. You may have some other work. Okay. Okay. So what will I do? Let's. What is this yes for? Anupam, yes. Okay. Okay, guys. So what I'll do, I'll just wait for your doubts for 1 minute. Okay. After that, I'll start this in the next class. Continue with this in the next class. Okay. Okay, awesome. There are some things remaining. It will take like 45 more minutes. Okay. One more time explain, sir. Rehan, what should I explain? Is the play again? So whenever you write explain, let me know what to explain. Okay. Okay. I'm just waiting for your doubts, guys. Yeah, we'll do the remaining in the next class. Don't worry. Ankit, what should I explain? Please mention what should I explain. Whenever you write explain again, mention the topic. Should I explain this play again, or should I explain this is cross again? What should I explain? Okay, I think you guys want me to explain. Explain. Kunal is like explain today's session. Okay, Kunal. Okay. Okay. For the today's assignment, I'm telling you, this is your today's assignment. Assignment for everyone. Okay. Okay. So here are the assignment. Well, so I'm just defining a function. The function is like const, like find winner. Okay. So you have to write that logic for this game. Okay. Sorry. You have to write the winner logic here. Sorry, equal to. Okay. So how can like there were 8 ways, right? For a person to win a tic-tac-toe game. So now this is your array, tic-tac array. So with the help of this, I want you guys to write all the 8 condition here. This will be your assignment. Okay. To complete this find winner function. Okay. Okay. Explain today's session, Kunal. That's really great. Okay. No, I don't. I don't mean to like you can make it empty like with an array. You can just make an array of size 9. Then you can have a loop and make it empty or keep it some value, right? Some value. Then later because it will be replaced by x and o, right? So it's not necessary to keep it empty with using fill, but somehow you have to give it a default value, right? So my default value was empty. Okay. So hope you are clear with today's assignment. You have to complete this find winner function. So what this is find winner function? You have to write all those 8 conditions through which a person can win a tic-tac-toe game. Okay. Whole game tasks. Okay, Kunal. Let's give it a try. See, guys, if you can complete it. That would be great. Yeah, Bhavik. But there is a thing that you have to think. Okay. There are few things, Bhavik, that you have to think. You guys will get a mail from us. Okay, don't worry about that. Okay. For explain how to add components, I've already explained in the previous classes. Okay, and have a look. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Yeah, great. Okay, guys. I think I am having a paneer dinner today, not chicken. Maybe some other day. Okay, guys. So you know my living signature, right? So sorry, I cannot take a risk to open Chrome, but let me try. Yeah. So the last 1 minute. Okay. So timer, stop timer online. Let's go to timer. Let's give it like 1 minute. Sorry, 0, 0. Yeah. Let's start it. So last 1 minute, guys. Let's start. Yeah, it already told the assignment for today, right? This is you have to complete the find winner function. This is your assignment for today. So last 1 minute. Let's start it. Dheeraj, you are not able to log in. Where are you not able to log in? Think, Kishore, have a look. Think about it. Anyway, if you are not able to do, I'll explain it in next class. No worries about that. Okay. Any other questions? Okay. I work in open house, Babak. Compile the program automatically and get the required output. I am getting error also. What is the reason? Until I can see the error, I cannot comment, Tanuja. Show Xcode of index.js. Index.js. I'll just show you index.js once. Okay, this is index.js. Okay, guys. Then I'll see you in the next class. Bye-bye.